How to sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans and log into your account. You can use either the website or the app version of the platform. After you log into your OnlyFans account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to sign in with Spotify, first of all, you have to connect your Spotify account with the OnlyFans account. For that, tap on this profile icon that you can see on the bottom right. After that, tap on My Profile. Now at this stage, you'll find this Sign in with Spotify option. Tap on it. Then after, you have to log into your Spotify account. So log in using the credentials that you have used while creating your Spotify account. For example, if your Spotify account is created with Google, you can simply tap on Continue with Google and then log into your Spotify account. In the same way, you can also log in with Facebook or Apple. Furthermore, you can also manually enter your email address or username and then password. After that, tap on Sign in. So use the login method that you have in your Spotify account. After that, log in. As you enter your login details, it will show you a screen like this. Simply tap on Agree and agree to these terms. After that, your Spotify account will be connected to your OnlyFans account. Furthermore, you can also change the settings of your Spotify account. For example, let's tap on Settings. Then as you can see, you can change your Spotify anthem and other details at this screen. So in this way, you can easily sign in with Spotify on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.